Greetings, and welcome to the About My Brain Institute podcast, exploring the inspiring realm of the spirit animals' oracle cards. In this episode, join us as we delve into the fascinating world of the chimpanzee spirit animal, renowned for curiosity, social intelligence, and playfulness. Part 1. Discovering the chimpanzee spirit. The chimpanzee, with its endearing traits of curiosity, social intelligence, and adaptability, becomes a symbol of boundless exploration and growth. Its spiritual energy sparks a vibrant sense of playfulness within us, nudging us to embrace the joy of discovery and fearlessly venture into new possibilities. In the company of the chimpanzee, we are reminded of the beauty of human connection as we learn to interact with others through the lens of compassion and understanding. The medicine of the chimpanzee opens the door to the power of communication and collaboration, showing us how building meaningful relationships can lead to profound growth and learning. Just as the chimpanzees thrive in their close-knit communities, we too find strength and support when we cultivate connections with others. Their wisdom inspires us to value the bonds we create and appreciate the diverse perspectives that each individual brings. Embracing the spirit of the chimpanzee, we embrace the inquisitive nature of our souls, breaking free from limitations and embarking on a journey of continuous learning and self-discovery. Through the playful and compassionate approach that the chimpanzee embodies, we unlock the potential to adapt, evolve, and thrive harmoniously within our communities and life in general. Part 2. Qualities of the chimpanzee spirit. Chimpanzees possess remarkable qualities, including high intelligence and problem-solving abilities. They live in complex social groups, forming strong bonds and engaging in various forms of communication. Skilled tool users, chimpanzees, exhibit resourcefulness and adaptability in their environment. They show empathy and a wide range of emotions, playing a vital role in their societies. Their relationships are intricate, featuring alliances and cooperation. Chimpanzees demonstrate cultural learning, passing down knowledge and traditions. Despite their adaptability, they are currently endangered due to various threats. Protecting their natural habitats and promoting conservation efforts are essential for preserving these incredible qualities and ensuring their survival as a species. Part 3. Cultural and mythological significance of the chimpanzee spirit. Throughout history, chimpanzees have occupied a revered position in many cultures, particularly in areas where they are native. Indigenous African communities, for instance, often regard these primates as sacred. They are sometimes seen as ancestral spirits or guides, with their actions and behaviors symbolizing moral lessons for human society. Various cultures have incorporated chimpanzees into their folklore and proverbs, emphasizing their intelligence, cunning, and social nature. These narratives might depict them as clever tricksters or beings of wisdom, echoing their human-like attributes while celebrating their unique behaviors. In some African traditions, the imagery or symbolism of chimpanzees is incorporated into rituals and ceremonies. Here, they stand as icons of strength, wisdom, or other virtues that a community holds in high esteem. Over time, as modernity encroaches, these primates have emerged as powerful symbols for conservation efforts. The challenges they face, from habitat loss and poaching to disease, underscore the broader threats confronting our planet's biodiversity. Their status as endangered species propels the global message of conservation, emphasizing the urgency of safeguarding their habitats and other imperiled species. In art and popular culture, chimpanzees have consistently held a mirror to humanity. Their portrayal in paintings, literature, and other creative mediums often delves into themes of evolution and our intrinsic bond with nature. Through the eyes of these intelligent animals, artists and writers explore the myriad facets of human behavior. Collectively, the cultural narratives surrounding chimpanzees not only celebrate their intriguing nature, but also stress the importance of harmonious coexistence and the preservation of the delicate balance of our shared environment. Part 4. A chimpanzee in my dreams. The appearance of a chimpanzee spirit in a dream can hold diverse meanings influenced by individual experiences, cultural beliefs, and personal associations. Animals often serve as symbols, representing various qualities and attributes in different cultures. When it comes to interpreting the significance of a chimpanzee spirit in a dream, several possibilities arise. Firstly, chimpanzees are known for their playful and mischievous behavior. Thus, encountering a chimpanzee spirit in a dream might symbolize a need for more playfulness and fun in one's life. It serves as a reminder not to take things too seriously and find joy in the simple pleasures. Chimpanzees are wild animals closely connected to nature. Consequently, dreaming of a chimpanzee spirit may reflect a desire to reconnect with nature or explore a more primal aspect of oneself. Additionally, chimpanzees are highly social creatures, living in close-knit communities. Therefore, encountering a chimpanzee spirit in a dream could be related to one's own social relationships and interactions. It might indicate a need to strengthen bonds with friends and family, or seek more meaningful connections with others. Dreams often act as a conduit for the subconscious mind to process emotions and experiences. The presence of a chimpanzee spirit in a dream could be a manifestation of certain feelings or thoughts that might not be fully acknowledged in waking life. Chimpanzees also symbolize a sense of freedom and living in the present moment. This dream experience might encourage the dreamer to embrace their wild and authentic self, unburdened by societal expectations. Interpreting dreams is subjective. The best approach to understanding the true meaning is to reflect on personal feelings, thoughts, and experiences related to the dream. Keeping a dream journal can be helpful in identifying patterns and recurring symbols, aiding in the understanding of their individual significance. If a dream holds significant emotional weight or persists in causing distress, seeking the guidance of a professional dream analyst or therapist could be beneficial. Part 5. Habitat, Behaviors, and Ecological Importance of the Chimpanzee. Habitat. The habitat of the chimpanzee is primarily found in the dense rainforests, woodlands, and savannas of Central and Western Africa. These remarkable primates inhabit a variety of environments, ranging from moist tropical forests to more open grasslands. Chimpanzees are highly adaptable and have been known to occupy different forest types, from montane forests at higher elevations to lowland rainforests near riverbanks. The key elements of their habitat include an abundance of trees for shelter and nesting, as well as a diverse array of fruits, leaves, nuts, and insects for their diet. Forest canopies provide chimpanzees with the opportunity to move through the treetops, utilizing their exceptional climbing and swinging abilities. These rich and biodiverse habitats are vital for the survival of chimpanzees, as they rely on the availability of resources and the protection of their territories to maintain their complex social structures and ensure the well-being of their communities. However, deforestation and habitat destruction pose significant threats to their existence, underscoring the importance of conservation efforts to safeguard the natural homes of these intelligent and socially sophisticated beings. Behaviors. Social bonds. Chimpanzees are highly social animals and form strong bonds with other members of their community. They engage in grooming rituals, which serve not only as a hygienic practice, but also as a means of reinforcing social connections and reducing tensions within the group. Tool use. Chimpanzees are renowned for their tool-making and tool-using abilities. They fashion tools from sticks, twigs, leaves, and other materials to extract termites from mounds, crack nuts, or fish for insects. This behavior showcases their problem-solving skills and resourcefulness in obtaining food. Communication. Chimpanzees use a sophisticated system of communication to convey emotions, intentions, and needs to other group members. They employ vocalizations, gestures, and facial expressions to express joy, fear, anger, or submission, facilitating social interactions and maintaining group cohesion. Hunting and cooperation. In some populations, chimpanzees engage in hunting activities, primarily targeting small mammals like monkeys and bush babies. This behavior is observed more often in certain communities and highlights their ability to coordinate and cooperate during hunts, displaying complex social and cognitive abilities. Playful behavior. Chimpanzees exhibit a playful side, engaging in various games and activities, such as chasing, wrestling, and swinging from branches. Play serves as a vital learning experience for young chimpanzees, helping them develop physical skills and social behaviors, essential for their survival and integration into the group. Play also fosters social bonds and a sense of enjoyment within the community. Ecological importance. The chimpanzee plays a crucial ecological role within its habitat, exerting a significant influence on the surrounding ecosystem. As a frugivorous and herbivorous species, chimpanzees disperse seeds through their consumption of fruits and plants, contributing to the regeneration and diversification of plant species. This process aids in maintaining the health and resilience of the forest ecosystem. Moreover, chimpanzees' foraging activities, including their use of tools to extract insects or crack nuts, create openings in the vegetation, benefiting other wildlife by promoting greater biodiversity and providing new opportunities for various species to thrive. As an umbrella species, the conservation of chimpanzees and their habitat helps protect numerous other plant and animal species within the same ecosystem. Part 6. How the chimpanzee contributes to scientific research. By studying chimpanzees, researchers have uncovered similarities and differences in social structures, communication methods, and problem-solving tactics, shedding light on the roots of human culture, cooperation, and intelligence. Jane Goodall's groundbreaking work, Observing Tool Use Among Chimpanzees, revolutionized our understanding of non-human primates and human evolutionary history. Additionally, their genetic closeness to humans has led to their use in biomedical research, although this has become increasingly controversial due to ethical concerns. The study of chimpanzee genetics and physiology aids in understanding human genetic diseases, evolutionary processes, and our shared ancestry. Part 7. Guided visualization to connect with the chimpanzee spirit. Before you begin this guided visualization, find a quiet and comfortable space where you won't be disturbed. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths to relax your mind and body. Allow any tension to release with each exhale. Imagine yourself standing at the edge of a lush and vibrant forest. The air is filled with the earthy scent of the trees, and you can hear the gentle rustling of leaves in the breeze. Feel the ground beneath your feet, connecting you to the natural world. As you take a step forward, a path appears before you, leading deeper into the heart of the forest. Follow the path, feeling the anticipation building within you, knowing that something special awaits. As you venture further, you notice that the forest seems to come alive around you. Birds sing harmoniously, and the sunlight filters through the canopy, creating a warm, dappled glow. The forest is a sanctuary of life and energy. Ahead, you see a clearing where the sunlight is particularly bright. As you approach, you sense a gentle presence nearby. As you step into the clearing, you notice the form of a wise and ancient chimpanzee sitting peacefully on a moss-covered rock. Its eyes are filled with wisdom and compassion. Approach the chimpanzee slowly, acknowledging its presence with respect and admiration. As you draw nearer, you feel a powerful connection forming between you and this wise spirit of the forest. The chimpanzee's eyes seem to penetrate your soul, understanding you at a profound level. Without words, you sense a message of unity and kinship, a reminder that we are all connected to the web of life. Take a moment to ask the spirit of the chimpanzee any questions you may have, or seek guidance on a particular aspect of your life. Trust that the answers will come to you in the form of feelings, insights, or images. Feel the presence of the chimpanzee spirit enveloping you with love and understanding. Allow any emotions to surface and be embraced by the wisdom of this ancient being. When you feel ready, express your gratitude to the chimpanzee spirit for its guidance and for sharing its wisdom with you. Know that you can return to this sacred place in the forest whenever you need to reconnect. As you start to leave the clearing, take a moment to look back at the chimpanzee spirit, cherishing this extraordinary encounter. As you walk back along the path, know that you carry the spirit's wisdom and connection with you. Slowly bring your awareness back to the present moment. Wiggle your fingers and toes, and when you feel ready, gently open your eyes. Take a few deep breaths to ground yourself and carry the energy of the chimpanzee spirit with you throughout your day. Thanks for tuning in. This podcast was brought to you by the About My Brain Institute. For all the freshest updates and exclusive content, make sure to subscribe to our newsletter and give us a follow on our social channels. Until next time, keep those neurons firing.